Hi, it's Betty from Remax. I'm going to try to make things easy for you. Are you looking for a home in Mississauga, including the neighborhoods of Lorne Park, Churchill Meadows, Port Credit, Sherwood Forest, and there are others? What's your price range? Is there a particular school that you would have your children attend? I haven't forgotten the boomers and zoomers. Now that you're enjoying your life in your great backyard, are you ready to start thinking about downsizing so that you could get away in the winter and leave the cold weather behind? Want to look at any of the retirement residences or get any information on availability? Well, I've come up with a plan. There are plenty of open houses being held in Mississauga. If you are interested and you would like some specific information, contact me directly at 416-427-1875 and let me give you the statistics on any particular neighborhood, even the one where you are now residing. Enjoy your mornings and then head out. I can let you know which ones are still available. Now, isn't that easy? Contact Betty Bartasavicius, Betty Bart, and I've even made that easy for you. Text or phone me directly at 416-427-1875.